things happening. And we finna go ahead and do what we need to do. Gonna do what we need to do. Got the car out. Take it on down here and get to work. I gotta put my other wheel back on. But yeah, y'all wanted some MayRose content, man. Here we go. Transmission sitting over there. Go ahead and put everything. Go and put everything back together. Let me see what my son doing, cause he finna have a fit. Alright. Hey. I'm gonna take him. I'm gonna take him. Alright. Come on. Hey, don't you run out there. Oh boy. That's what I plan on doing. I ain't got time to wash it. I need a blower. I got a blower that's throw there first. Nah, we good. We already got a fucked up ass grill. Yeah, so y'all see Kane down there. Kane done lowered that thing. Oh boy.
Ew, you stink.
Smell like your mother.
Oh. I'm trying to tell you sick.
You don't have to tell you don't have to tell, I'm recording.
Oh. She gonna tell your wife.
Tell her.
Your wife.
Tell her. My wife, God, bet you won't tell her that. I bet she bigger than you. She hits on top of your head. Baby, where you at? BB said, what's up with them hands?
Oh my God. What's up with them hands?
Yeah, she said, what's up with them hands? Though BB said. She said, what you want to do? She said, you gonna do something?
Yeah.
BB!
Ashton.
BB!
What's going on?
Ashley said, what's up with them hands then?
Huh?
She said, what's up with them hands then?
What's up with my hands?
Yeah. Then you tell me to ask her what's up with her hands?
I
I thought that's what you said. Alright. I bet you won't tell her that. Yeah, so finna head down here, man. And I'll see y'all in a minute. Huh? A little bit of that dust blew off.
What name is it?
Oh, nothing. They can head to the casino. Y'all know what this means. I ain't got to tell you nothing. I don't have to tell you. Y'all know exactly what it means. Oh my God, what is that? don't know where this came from, but it got me good.
What, just now?
I don't know, yeah.
Rock coming out the rock or something?
Nah, some scratches.
They can have nothing to do with that record.
I don't know where that came from. I figured out. I ain't gonna worry about it.
You just wiped it off. Ain't nothing on there. What are you talking about?
On the bottom side.
Ooh, them keys there. I just wasted a little look over there.
Bro, what you need?
That's somebody's going to scar something against it. Rub something against it. It looks like somebody. I'm going to tell you what it look like. This what it look like.
What? I don't know.
It is. Somebody rub against it and belt or whatever. Rub it, sitting against it.
Ain't no telling. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna wax it. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna wax it. I'm gonna buff it and see what it do. And if it don't do it, then I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna have to get it painted over anyway. Yeah, man. This is where we at. Mirror car full. Down at the shop. Gonna put this thing in here. We'll be in traffic in about a week or so. Maybe if that. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Finna get it on. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming in here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yo, what's happening? Sunday morning, man. We back for part 2 of this thing, man. Back for part 2, man. We finna go down here, man. Finna go down here and get on this Miss MayRose, man. Finna go put this wheel on. Yeah. Go ahead and get this transmission put in here. My dog Damien gonna come down there and help me right quick. Gonna slap that joint in there. And yeah, gonna knock this out. But I do gotta send, I'm gonna have to take the drive shaft tomorrow. I'm gonna drop it off. And cause I gotta measure it. So I'm gonna drop it off so they can cut the drive shaft, and then I need a U-joint. I need another U-joint. And yeah, that'll be it. That'll be pretty much it. So yeah, man, I'm sitting there waiting on him. I'm gonna pull down here, man. Go ahead and get it popping, man. It's 11:54. Shouldn't take us long to put this in. Put it on the lift. Yeah. So gonna get down here, do what we do. I'll catch y'all when we get down there. We back up in here, man. Had to let y'all see what was going on. I know I ain't let y'all see last night, but trans is in, man. Trans in. Is it? Nope, ain't there nothing. I had to come down here and do my shifter cable. So I need to go in there and test it real quick. Like I said, the trans in. The drive shaft is over there. I'm gonna come down here tomorrow to get a measurement on the drive shaft. And I think that's it. The only thing I really got left is I got to plug in the fans. I gotta plug the fans in to that module. Plug them in. So I'll probably run those, run everything that way, I guess, and ground it. And I think that'll be it that I gotta do. I got to well, I did bring I brought the wheel down here that I wrapped the wheel, so I'm finna let this car down. I gotta tighten up the transmission lines. I ain't done that yet, but we ain't even ready to start the car yet, so I ain't really worried about it. But I'm about to put that wheel on, and that'll pretty much be it. Now, where the fuck did I get this from? Yep. Everybody been messing with me about that right here. I need to turn that around. I think it hit my dad on the shoulder the other day. It done been hitting me on the shoulder since I had it though. They cut good too, boy. That's some good screws. So, yeah, man. I think I done did everything under here. So, finna let this junk down. And yeah.